Hi guys, welcome to Diku channel.
If you want to see more food, please subscribe our channel and check out the playlist. Today we are going to make passion fruit chicken pie.
And we also will make a barbecue style, the chicken pie.
Let me mix it and add some vinegar. Now we are going to barbecue chicken pie, victory chicken pie. Open sesame.
The frozen passion fruit. Now I need to boil some water.
After the water is boiling, we add some onion, black pepper and salt and let the water boil about 7 minutes. Then it will be ready.
Now we add the passion fruit and the yellow pepper stuff. After wash, we add some salt.
We will marinate it for a few hours, and if you keep it in the refrigerator, you can maybe finish it within 3 days. It will taste better if you marinate it for longer. We just add the carrots, red onion, and now red wine. Dark soy sauce. Leo, it's almost done. Let me go outside and light up charcoal.
Okay. Charcoal is ready. Wait.
Add some salt.
So, looks pretty good.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Let's try. Now let's try the passion fruit style.
Sure. Please help me get some.
Joe, do you like some pepper?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Maybe it's a little bit scary for some of you, but it's really delicious. You may can try it. It will be our crazy menu.